Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of basketball hoops, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best mountable basketball hoop available on the market, the Silverback NXT 54. This hoop is designed for serious players and families alike, offering an adjustable height feature that makes it perfect for everyone, from young kids to adults. Whether you're practicing your shots or enjoying a friendly game, this hoop has you covered. One of the standout features of the Silverback NXT is its sturdy 54-inch infinity edge backboard. The unique design enhances rigidity while ensuring a consistent rebound, which is crucial for serious play. This backboard is made from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand all types of weather, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, let's talk about assembly. The Silverback NXT boasts a quick-play design, allowing you to set it up in about 120 minutes or less. It comes with pre-assembled parts, so you won't be lost in a sea of confusing instructions. It's user-friendly and makes the installation process straightforward, even for those who might not be very handy. The adjustable height feature is another major advantage. You can easily change the hoop's height from 7.5 feet to a full 10 feet using the all-steel actuator. This means you can customize it for different age groups or skill levels, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy the game at their level. The locking mechanism is robust and reliable, giving you peace of mind during intense play. As a wall-mounted system, the Silverback NXT is perfect for those who might not have the space for a traditional in-ground hoop. This design not only saves space but also provides a professional-style setup that delivers the same performance and durability as higher-end models. It's perfect for garages, schools, gyms, or even outdoor spaces like barns. In summary, the Silverback NXT 54 basketball hoop combines innovative design, high-quality materials, and user-friendly features to create an exceptional basketball experience. Whether you're training for your next game or just enjoying a casual shoot-around, this hoop is truly the best mountable option available today. If you're ready to elevate your game, check out the link in the description to grab your own Silverback NXT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.